Thanks first to appreciate your support. So today we looked at a microwave that is not heating. So the microwave rotates, it counts time here, but it won't heat. So what we do is we check a few things. We check the diode, we check the magnetron, and the capacitor. Those three things are responsible for heating the microwave, heating food. So what we'll do is we'll switch it off and plug from power. And please don't open a microwave if you don't have knowledge of the microwaves. It's dangerous, even if you check here, because of high voltage. All microwaves have this warning, high voltage. It's risky, so only do it if you qualified or get the right person to do it. So what we're going to do is you're going to remove the screws. So once you remove that, now that's how it looks inside. So in a microwave, before you touch anything, this is the capacitor. What you're going to do is we're going to discharge power from this. So I prefer to use pliers, so I'll show you how to do it. There's this terminal, this one, and this one here. The reason I'm using this, it's coated on both ends. So what we're going to do is just put it here and here, hold it for 5 seconds. That's how to discharge it. So once you discharge the capacitor, now you are safe. So this is the capacitor, the black thing here, this is the diode, and then we have the fuse. This is the fuse. Let's remove the fuse. So this is the fuse. So even also if the fuse is faulty, the microwave will also not work. So when you open it up, first of all, just check the fuse, because it could be a simple thing that might be giving you problems. So you just change the fuse. We'll test it with the multimeter, and then this is the magnetron. So what you're going to do is you just check the fuse. So if the fuse is okay and the diode is okay, definitely we're going to replace the magnetron. So this fuse is okay. So this is the magnetron, so it fits here. So you just unplug this, remove the screws here, plug this, and the microwave will work.